Another location that you can host posts and blogs is Substack, and you'll be unsurprised to discover that yes, you can schedule them ahead of time as well. Let me show you how in this video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So here we are in my Substack account, and as you can see, I've already typed in, well, pasted all of my text for the next post that I am going to be sharing. So that's all in there, and all we're going to do is click on the continue button in the top right hand corner. And from there I'm going to choose this post is for everyone. I'm going to allow comments. Let's do tags. So this is going to be content, online, blog, video, and we'll do podcast as the last option. Okay, so just a few tags to make it easier to find it. It likes to have a picture, so I do have a picture downloaded ready for it, so I'm just going to select that, and then my video is of course in the way. Let's move that slightly. You can see I've got delivery, send via email, and the Substack app for anybody that is following me. But here's our scheduling option, so I'm just going to tick to schedule, and you can see it gives me a date and time that I can click on. So let's choose 0903, and we'll choose 0915. I'm just going to click away from that, and you can see here at the bottom, send to everyone in 6 days. Let's choose a different date just so you can see one that's a bit further afield. Let's choose the 27th. Oh, it didn't pick up the 2, so let's try that again. The 27. And you can see it's actually giving me, for every date that I choose, how far in the future this is going to go. So I'm going to take that back to the 9th. So I've chosen my date, and I'm going to click the button send to everyone in 6 days. That is now scheduling it. I'm going to say publish without the buttons. And that is, as you can see, scheduling it. It says so in the screen, and now it's taking me back to my post to confirm that it has been scheduled, and that's it. I'm done. Simple as that. If you're not sure what type of online content is best for your business, then I'll include a link to this month's posts, which can give you some things to consider. Those will be below in the description box and also pinned in the first comment. If you found this video useful, please do like it, and if you'd like to be notified as new videos become available, remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that's it for this video. I'll see you next time.